This is game one. Game number one, Mr. Enzio and Sherwell. Let's go. Check. Balls in. Alright, they explaining the rules. You see Ryan over there. Oh, he's cooking. Oh, he missed the layup. 10 push-ups. 10 push-ups to Ryan. Oh, copy. Oh, hold his whistle. Alright, balls in, y'all. Oh, tight D. Oh, roll off. Oh, he got the ball. Alright, he's playing defense. Alright. Oh, the push off. Oh, body. Coming around with the help. Oh, outlet. Oh, with the knockdown shot. Oh, with the fake. Left hand. Oh, miss. And the putback. Let's go. Set it up. 1-0, y'all. Oh, he goes for the curl. Sherwell wants the post. He wants the baby. Oh. Rolls off. Gets a shot. Misses. Sherwell gets. Oh, good pass. Good finish. 2-0, y'all. Oh, they check the ball. Alright, he rolls out. Alright. He's in the post. He's in the paint. They roll off ball. Oh, good D. Alright, he gets the ball back. He looks for the Sherwell in the post. Alright, he backs him down. Oh, he misses the layup. Alright. He takes it out. Let's see what he has. Alright. Oh, good pass. Does he have a shot? Nah, he doesn't. Oh, he sets a pick. Alright, let's see. Good pass. Oh. Let's see what. Oh, with the block. Turn it up. Oh, he passed it to Mr. Enzio, who's not on his team. He wants the pick. Good pick. Roll off. Good pass. Oh! 10 push-ups. 10 push-ups. Check that up. Good wraparound pass. I saw it. Alright, ball's in. Oh, he wants him to go over Mr. Anglo. Baby Mr. Anglo. Oh, and one. Oh, and he misses the basket. You want to rewind the play? You want to rewind the play? You want to rewind? Oh, alright. They're going to respect this call. Oh, Mr. Enzio wants him in the post. Oh, switch off. Oh, the ISO. Oh, 2-0, y'all. Good block. He wants to pick. Uh-oh, it's out of bounds. Clinton, don't walk in front of the seat. Oh my God. I have to cut you out of the shot now. Mr. Engelman is contemplating on what to do. He pushes his hair back. Alright, he sets the pick. Oh, good pass. Oh, he tries the outlet pass. Oh, what a good rebound. Watch your back. Oh, good pass. 2-1, y'all. 2-1, yo. Good pass, Mr. Anglin. Oh, he wants another pick. Is he gonna take the shot? Oh, he rolls off. Oh. Two, 2-1, yo. 11. Oh, 7. Oh, 3-1. And 1. Oh. Oh, 3-2, y'all. All right, let's go say hi to the Mexican over here. He's Mexican. Hold on. Oh, he passes the ball. Oh, he fades. Oh, he misses. So we'll get some rebound. We getting this from a different view. I'm about to show you the Mexican real quick. Hold on. Oh, no, Mr. Enzio. Let me show you the Mexican. Oh, he's hiding his mustache. What's his name? Oh, look at him. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's the Mexican right there. All right, let's go back to the game. He got too many tacos. All right, let's get this from a different view back here. All right, you two. The score is 2-3. All right, it's game time. Oh, he shoots it. It hits the ceiling. He goes to the dunk. Let me step back a little bit. Oh, good pass. Clinton, get out the shot. Roll off. Oh, good pass. Oh. They stripped for the ball. Oh, he tried to do a Kobe. Go to him. Oh, good shot. Let's see what he's gonna do. Come on, guys. Go to him. Nice. 3 up, y'all. Four. 4-3. Game point. All right. No game point. 4-3. Oh. He has trust in his other teammate. Oh, knockdown from D. Uh-oh, Braden gets the ball. Let's see what he does. Oh, he passes it. They're too old. up. Good reverse. That's gonna be on top plays. That's gonna be on top plays. Let's get a different view right now. Oh, he's gonna take it. Up.
That's only getting like hacked.
Oh. I got you. The sun glares in his eyes. Oh, let's see what. Oh, Kobe. Oh. 5-4. Yeah, do something crazy, show up. Go dunk it. Go take flight. Let me throw you the alley. Uh-oh. Is he gonna take the shot? Oh, he dribbles. Left to right. His shoes. What a nice shot. Game point. 6-4. Let's see what he does to end the game. Behind the back. All right. You gotta get a close-up on the game winner. No game winner. No game winner. A close-up on the game winner. NBA Finals. Show up. What a good game. What do you have to say to ESPN? What do you gotta say?
I'm a beast!
Oh, he's a beast. Oh, he's crazy.